Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on the Scheduler plugin. The Scheduler plugin automates test plan executions within an organization, enabling efficient scheduling that can run daily or according to the test owner's preferences. To get started, navigate to the Scheduler plugin by clicking this icon. Once inside, you'll see a two-panel interface. The left panel displays available test plans and allows for easy management. The right panel provides an overview of scheduled test executions and their configurations. To add a new test plan, click the Add Test Plan button here. This opens a form where you can select an existing test plan. For this tutorial, let's select the Auto Regression Test Plan. Once selected, click the Add button to append it to the scheduler, making it available for scheduling executions. You'll now see it listed in the left panel. Next, let's configure a schedule. In the right panel, click Add Schedule to open the scheduling settings. Let's name our schedule Quick Regression Run, as we want to execute the test within the next few minutes. Now, specify the execution time as 3 minutes from now, ensuring we can observe the test execution within this tutorial. Since this is a one-time test for demonstration, we'll schedule it only for today. However, for recurring test executions, you can select multiple days to create a continuous schedule. Now, choose the appropriate gateway for execution. The available execution agents are displayed. Select the most suitable one. It's important to ensure that the selected gateway is available at the scheduled execution time. If the gateway is unavailable, the test cases will not run. To avoid disruptions, you can select a cloud gateway, which is always available. However, for this tutorial, I will select my gateway to proceed with the execution. Once scheduled, click Create. The Quick Regression Run now appears in the Schedule table, which provides an overview of all scheduled executions including unique ID, execution time, last run status, selected days, and assigned gateway. As the scheduled time approaches, the test plan will begin execution. Now it's time. The Quick Regression Run is executing, so let's review the results. Monitor the progress through the execution logs, which provide real-time updates on the test case execution. These logs indicate key details, such as whether the schedule is initialized, if the gateway agent goes offline, whether the execution is successful. For detailed insights into test case results, click the blue link here. This redirects you to the Test Run plugin, where you can review the number of test cases passed or failed execution time, or any encountered errors. With the Scheduler plugin, you can streamline test execution, ensuring your test plans run efficiently without manual intervention. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Scheduler plugin. See you in the next video, and happy testing!